Hello, have you ever seen something disappear right before your eyes? Well, not really disappear, but just seem to vanish into thin air? That's the cool trick we're going to explore today. It's called dissolving, and it's a bit like a magic trick, but it's all science. Let's imagine a tiny sugar cube. That cube is made up of lots and lots of tiny particles, way smaller than anything we can see. Now imagine that we drop that sugar cube into a glass of water. At first, the sugar cube stays together, a little solid lump. But as soon as it hits the water molecules, which are also super tiny, start bumping into the sugar molecules. These water molecules are like tiny busy helpers. They're constantly moving and jiggling around. When they bump into the sugar molecules, they start to pull them apart bit by bit. It's like they're playing a game of tag, gently nudging the sugar molecules away from their friends, the other sugar molecules. As more and more water molecules bump into the sugar particles start to spread out. They get mixed in with the water until all the sugar are spread out evenly. And that's dissolving. The sugar molecules don't really disappear. They just spread out so much that we can't see them anymore. They're still there, mixed in with the water, and they make the water taste sweet. It's like when you mix chocolate syrup into milk. At first you see a thick syrup, but as you stir, the syrup spreads out and mixes with the milk, turning it all chocolatey. The chocolate syrup has dissolved in the milk. But here's the thing, not everything can dissolve. Sugar and salt are good at dissolving in water, but if you try to mix sand and water, the sand just sinks to the bottom. The water molecules aren't able to pull the sand particles apart. Dissolving is a super important part of our world. It's how we make yummy drinks like lemonade and chocolate milk. It's how the ocean gets salty. It's even how medicines work, by dissolving in our body. So the next time you see something disappear in water, remember the amazing dance of the tiny molecules and the magic of dissolving. Thank you for watching.